Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you a tutorial how to make list on Reader for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the Reader application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Reader. And the next step, you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner. It means your picture profile or the symbol of the people. Click on. And the next step, you can go to the list. Click on the list here. And how to create the list is, you can click the symbol in the below here. You can click on and type or enter a name of the list. After that, you can also type about description of the theme of this list. Okay, in the below of the description, you can see there is a have the private. You can see there is a have a private. If you want to private it, you can slide away until has the blue color. And if you don't want to make it private, you can also slide the left to make it not private. And the next step, if you want it and you're done, you can click create. Click on the create. Okay, the second steps for you, you can add the profile or someone to add to your list. Add this is. You can also search in the upper of the bar about the list. There is has the anime. You can add anime news networks, Naruto, anime aesthetic. And if you're done to make the list, you can click done in the below of the right corner. And now you have a list for your Twitter. It's very simple way to do it. Let's see. For your list, go to the symbol in the upper of the left corner, click on and go to the list. So this is your list. Okay, I think it's enough for you to how to make list on Reader for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.